Investing in real estate for a small amount of money requires some smart strategies. Here are some ways. 1. Investing in shared properties. Look for real estate investment platforms that allow you to buy a stake in a property or group of properties. 2. Distressed properties. Invest in properties that need renovation. You can purchase a property at a low price, then improve it and sell it for a higher price. 3. Renting. Instead of purchasing a property, you can rent a property and then rent it out to others. This can generate income without requiring a large investment. 4. Investing in emerging areas. Look for new, rapidly growing areas where prices may be lower but are expected to rise in the future. 5. Mortgaging. Use a mortgage to purchase a property with a small down payment, paying the remaining amount in installments. 6. Partnering with other investors. You can join a group of investors to purchase a property together, which reduces the amount required. 7. Education and research. Educate yourself about the real estate market and different investment methods. Knowledge is the best investment. Use these strategies with caution and always be aware of potential risks.